In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Wave Accounting. First things first. Before we get started with inputting your expenses, you'll need to navigate to the Wave Accounting website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Wave Accounting in the search bar. Once the page loads, you're going to want to look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click. If you have a Google account that's associated with Wave, an easy way to sign in is to click on the Sign In with Google option. This will prompt you to select your Google account from a list. If you're unsure about which Google account to use, just remember it's the one you linked previously to your Wave account. Now that you've signed in, you'll find yourself on your Wave dashboard, a good spot to get an overview of your business finances. Next, on your dashboard, locate and click on Create New. This is typically where all the magic happens for recording different types of transactions. Clicking this brings up a drop-down menu, and what you'll want to do is select Bill. The Bill feature will allow you to enter specific expenses, helping you keep track of what's due and curating a detailed paper trail. Once you've clicked on Bill, you'll need to choose the vendor. There's a convenient drop-down menu for this, offering you a list of frequently used vendors, which really speeds things up if you work with the same businesses often. Scroll through to find your vendor, or simply start typing their name to filter the list. The fields you fill on this page are important details related to your expense. The next field you'll encounter is the bill number, a crucial part of recording expenses, especially for later stages of reconciling accounts or just searching for a specific payment. Enter the reference number or name associated with this bill. In certain cases, you might want to add additional context or special instructions related to this expense. That's where the notes section comes in handy. Type in any relevant details that will help clarify the expense in the future, whether it's a reminder, a special term discussed, or just a personal note. Now, let's get to the most important part, adding the item for your expense, which basically means detailing what the expense is for. Wave makes it easy with a straightforward interface, where you'll input your expenses, item by item. Be accurate with your descriptions here, because it aids in later analysis and reporting. After you're comfortable with the inputted data, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. The final step is to click the Save button. This saves your expense entry into the system, updating your financial records. It's that simple, and you're done. Now your business expenses are neatly recorded in Wave Accounting, ready to be reviewed at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you take control of your business finances.